It's your girl TJ. I am back in the building with another freaking video. Period. It's like, let me stop. That's so corny. Anyway, I'm here today to show you guys how I got this melted balm. Okay, I'm showing you guys this lace. This lace is popping. I don't care what nobody says. Nobody can check for my lace. Well, it probably can, but it can't. Y'all get my drift. But this lace is popping. I'm gonna show you guys how I got this in 1, 2, and 3. Cause I'm just shouting out them because like y'all did the dang thing when y'all plucked this unit, y'all. They came for our necks with this unit. Period. So yeah, we're gonna get right to it. I ain't gonna ramble along. Alright guys, so this is the quick unboxing. I'm gonna show you guys everything that came inside the packaging, and I'm gonna give you guys the detail on this unit. Okay, so this is the Royal Dream lace. Okay, it's a dream lace. It is dream because it took me to have it. It's like, I'm just kidding. Anyway, this is, like I said, the Royal Dream Film HD lace. This is a 360 unit. I do have her in inches of 22, I believe. This is construction of the unit. It comes with the part, just in case you guys don't know how to do a motor part. It came, they got you. This is construction of the unit. The 3 combs around the middle. There's one at the nape along with drawstrings. The knot on this unit is bleached, and I was proud. Also, this unit does come pre-plucked, so it works all in our favor. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I'm gonna get off of here so we can go ahead and get right into this video, but this is what it looks like. Okay, alright guys, so today's hairspray I'm using is the TRESemmé Tres Tout Freeze Hold Spray. I need something that's gonna be with me a little bit today because I am doing a little bit of running errands. So yeah, I don't need nothing like super hold because of course I'm just gonna take the wig off when I get home, but something that's gonna be with me all day. So alright guys, so this is what the lace is looking like once foundation is applied on it. Also, this lace is HD. Y'all already know how I feel about HD laces. My eyelashes getting stuck. Y'all already know how I feel about HD laces. I feel like they're just the best invention. I love how thin they are, and it just makes blending your lace super duper easy. So like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and secure it down with my TRESemmé, and I don't know, like I really want to try that method where everybody just sprays it down. Okay, so we're gonna try this. I don't know how this is gonna turn out. I'm gonna try to place it where I normally would place it. I just want to try it. I want to try it and see what it looks like. So I don't even know how you're supposed to do that. You're supposed to just push everything back, but I'm gonna try to put some mousse on it to push everything back. I don't know what I'm doing here, so y'all don't come for me. Do not come for me because I don't know. I'm low-key scared of trying this. Alright, so I'm gonna take a little bit of my BioSilk and spray it so that when I put the hot comb on it, I won't be damaging the hairline. But I hope this way works, y'all. I seen a lot of hair gurus do it this way, and I've always wondered how they can do it, but we about to see. Alright y'all, so now I'm gonna go in with my wax stick and do another hot comb pass. And if you guys have not ever tried a wax stick, I'm gonna need you to get with the program, because it makes your hair lay so freaking flat and flawless, and it's also very good for flyaways. Now we're gonna start off with no baby hairs, but I don't know how this is gonna look, so I don't know if it's gonna stay like that. So we're gonna start with one section at a time, and I'm just gonna lightly, I don't know what I'm gonna do actually. And I'm just gonna take my dryer on a cool heating setting, combing out a little more and add a little bit more spray. I got this side down, so I'm gonna spray the other side and hold it as well. and then I'm gonna tie something down on it and then blow dry it again, just to be sure that it's not going nowhere. But it looks so pretty right now. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and take a silk scarf and wrap it around. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start trying to cut off the lace as naturally as possible. Hopefully this goes well and everything still looks as how it looks now. Freaking flawless. You guys see this hairline though? Like, really? It doesn't look that bad. I am gonna just spray a little bit of the hairspray and then go down on each section and push down. I think this is actually further back than I like, but oh well. Y'all, got my big head out today. Alright guys, so I did go ahead and finish one end, and like this, okay, I think I'm gonna have a new method of doing it now. It's just about me taking my time and just working in sections, and I feel like it doesn't look that bad. I don't know, y'all might still can see the white line. I'm gonna try to do what I do to fix it. Hopefully it's not looking as bad as my last video. Help me. And that mirror, I just see the whole white line. I don't know how I gotta be doing this. Okay y'all, so I'm detangling the hair right now. This is the first time I detangled it. I was getting a few snags while I was detangling, but nothing to worry about. I love the curls they have in this unit, okay? But I am gonna have to reshape some of them, unfortunately. Okay y'all, let's get into this hairline though. I never did this before. Well, never mind, stop lying. But y'all, do y'all see this hairline? Do y'all see this? Or okay, come through TJ. And I'm just gonna do the top layer freshly. I'm gonna leave the bottom as is. I think, yeah, it's just a looser pattern, so That's what we fun to do. I'm not fun to do this whole head because it's just, you don't need to. Guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Y'all, let's get into this lace melt though. Do you guys see this? This is like ridiculously crazy. Like, you have to be a bomb egg company, okay, to have it plucked the way this is plucked. Like, I didn't do anything to this unit, y'all, and y'all see that. I cut it, melted it, and put the baby hairs in. Like, that's what I'm here for. I love a unit. I love a company who can pre-pluck their tail off. I'm sorry. It's just a win-win. That was my best part of the unit. Like, the lace. Like, it looks like, not lace, but this company, y'all, I'm telling you, you gotta grab yourself a wig. So outside of that, this is how the curls turns out. Y'all know that I only refreshed the top portion of it. The curls at the bottom, the middle and the bottom technically are how they came in the packaging. I love, love, love the density on this unit. It's not too much. It's nice, it's cute, it's flirty, and it's just like we here for it. So throughout the video, I had shedding with this unit, and I really got more so shedding once I started cutting to the unit. So it's not shedding now, but once I cut it, the lace off of it, and, you know, tried to make it as natural as possible, that's when I noticed that, you know, there was shedding. But like I said, after I did go ahead and thoroughly detangle it, I haven't seen shedding, you know. But you will get shedding from this unit. I'm not saying they ain't gonna shed it, because if somebody saying they units don't shed, period, they lie, period. But you are gonna get a little bit of shedding with this. I did get tangling as well, but like I said, that was prior. That was prior to me detangling, so you're not gonna have any problems once you thoroughly detangle it. Look, sis, I can glide my hands through, running these nails through, and, you know, it's just gliding through like butter. Now this hair is straight out the package. Didn't wash it, didn't co-wash it, didn't do none of that, y'all. I'm serving y'all the realness. I really loved the method that I tried to melt this lace with. I really feel like it turns out very, very natural, and it's something that I will continue to use in the future. Okay, with this unit, it was so easy to work with because, like I said, unit was already bleached, so it makes putting foundation on the lace very, very easy because it was bleached. It was pre-plucked, as y'all seen. I just refreshed the curls and I'm done. Like, sis, it was very, very easy, and I feel like it came out amazing. Let me know what you guys thought. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you guys are interested in this unit. Don't forget to check the description section of this video. All information will be there in regards to the unit. And until next time, your girl will see you later. Bye guys.